Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I figured I'd share with you an ongoing scam thing that can happen when you upload videos to YouTube where someone will send you a fake copyright claim, but it's not a real one for various reasons, mostly because they tell you it's a copyright ID claim, not a copyright infringement warning. And the email itself has the embedded YouTube warning in it. They don't send you a PDF to your Google Drive. So what it looks like is, it looks like this. They send you this email and you'll get a pop-up on your phone that tells you that somebody has shared with you something on Google Drive, usually a PDF. And it'll look like a copyright infringement warning, but it comes from some random Gmail address that looks like complete and utter nonsense, like DoloresG.mo2. Just sounds like a robot scam to begin with. And then when you open it, it's a strike, or a fake strike for copyright against some video that you have. In this case, it's the second actual Scorn video that I made. And then it'll tell me that this WMG company that doesn't exist has claimed my video and may contain copywritten content. If you get copyright ID striked, they take the video down or they take your ad revenue. They don't just give you a warning and say something might happen. So this is fake, and I'm guessing if I click the open the full report thing, it takes me to somewhere that tries to give me a virus. Because if I look at it, when I hover over it, it says it wants to take me to next.gotcopyright.com plus a bunch of BS. And I'm guessing that's going to try to get me to download something and try to hack me, which I'm not going to fall for. So this is fake. Don't click on anything in these PDFs. And if I go over to my YouTube dashboard and you click on your video in question, just to make sure you're being thorough, go to YouTube, in a new tab. Don't click on any of the links from the email, and then go into your video details, and then here you can see it was affecting my Scorn Episode 2 video, and I go down to the copyright section of the video. It is not affected, there's nothing happening, and there are 0 copyright or content ID strikes, or even warnings on this video. So you can tell this is complete BS, but just be aware that there are a bunch of these that pop up now and again, especially for the gaming side of YouTube, where they're trying to claim your video for something. What are they claiming in this? Usually they tell you it's like music, or they tell you it's like visual content, like a cutscene or something, but this just says it may contain something. What is it? Who knows? It also doesn't tell you at what time it appears in the video. Basically, this is complete bupkis. Like, when YouTube sends these to you, this is embedded in the email, it's not in a PDF, and they tell you, how it affects you, whatever, and all of the stuff that you do to interact with a copyright strike is usually on your channel itself. So, just so you know, figured I'd do a little awareness, just to be careful out there. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to flag this as a phishing attempt. And that'll be it. So I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Stay safe out there. Always be suspicious of emails that are warning you of stuff, because they always want to go after you and try to steal your crap. So bye, everyone. Have a good one.